All right, so we're going to talk about polar coordinates. So everything we've done in terms of graphing so far has been in what's called rectangular coordinates, like your regular XY stuff. But that's not always the easiest way to graph things. So sometimes, especially a lot of trig functions are a lot easier to graph in polar coordinates instead. And polar graphs look like this, like those round grids that I gave you.
It's like sticking to my hoodie.
Yeah. Again, it looks like this. So basically, it's kind of like a unit circle, like each of these lines. So you have like 0, 30, 60, 90, like these are your degrees. Oh, wait. No, that's not right. Hold on. Yeah, I'll make it bigger. Ugh. That better? Sorry, so it's like every other one. So 30, 60. Sorry. He's not wrong. It's okay. I've already threatened to break people's pens today. Just to break their pencils. Or pens, sorry. Because I've... 150. You're adding 30 to every one, so... I also did pick like the worst color for that, sorry. $330 and then like, yeah, pretty much. $270. Just like before, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. The unit circle. Yeah, I already said that. It's this crazy thing that happens when you like listen to what I say. All right. So basically, your coordinates would look something like this. So like 6 and 30 degrees. So the first number tells you how many rings to go out, like from the middle. So like 6 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, so this outside ring, but at 30 degrees. So the point would go here. Right, so then let's say we had 4 and negative 30. So we're going out 4 rings. So this ring, but instead of going up 30 degrees, just like we did with negative angles, we're going to go down 30. So it would go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We went down 30 degrees because it's negative 30. So like 4 negative 30 is the same as 4 330.
Like, even if you use the equation or something? Or do you not use equations?
Not at this point now.
Can you do that again? How do you do it?
Yeah, so I went out 4 rings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from there I went down 30 degrees because it's negative 30. Yeah. At the example in the book, you see where negative 4 and 330 is?
Yes.
It has the point negative 4 and 330. It's on page 275. So they have it 1, 2, 3, 4. They have it here. All right, so basically what they did is, let me get my laser pointer. So they went 4 to the left instead of the right. So they went 4 this way. And then from here, they went 330 degrees.
From where?
All right, so watch my thing. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4 on this axis. You're basically doing it backwards. And then from here, you're going, here, I'll even draw so like from here, you're going around 330 degrees. In a neater circle than I drew, obviously, but we get the idea.
Oh, so like when it's negative, you just kind of reverse it the other way.
Yeah.
What?
So that's what they have for, let's see, -3. So then they have, I need another color. Let's do like pink. So then when they have -3 and 330. So again, you go out. So it ended up here because you're going, when it's a negative angle, you're going the opposite direction. So you're going out 3, but then around 330 that way.
And that's if they're both negative.
So that's a -330.
Oh, yes. Here, let me fix that. Thank you.
So if it's a negative on the second one, you basically just go the opposite way.
Yes.
All right.
That's it.
Pretty understandable.
So, like, the first 2 are pretty straightforward on how to get them, right? The second 2, honestly, if you just, like, follow the arrows. So, the green one, you're going counterclockwise, right? Yeah. And then the blue one, you go clockwise. Which depends on if these are... But it flips the direction you're going. All right, so all I want you guys to do today is on page 276, number 1.
Can I do it on sheet again?
Yep. And number 7. So you're just plotting points. That's all we're doing today.
Can we use the?
Yeah, that's why I gave it to you.
I'll run on the first one.
That's fine. You have 5 more.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, so we don't need to reuse the paper here.
Yeah. I mean, unless you want to draw really nice, neat circles like that over and over again, but I figured you didn't.